Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you are a regular, you are so very much welcome. I really do appreciate you. Now before you go far, make sure you click that subscribe button and let's get into this. So today I'm going to show you how to groom and draw your eyebrows. This is a challenge. It has challenged me, it is still challenging me, but hey girl, we gotta do what we gotta do. Like, we gotta look good. So first things first, make sure that your eyebrows are clean before you do anything. Like, make sure that area is clean. Then I'm going to use a spoolie, or use a spoolie or a toothbrush if you don't have a spoolie, to, or a mascara wand if you don't have a spoolie, to brush your eyebrows on upwards direction, honey, on upwards direction. So take a longer pencil. It doesn't have to be sharp, but if it's sharp, well, that's great. So you have to mark your inferior point of the nostril axis and make sure that it matches up so well with where your eyebrows begin. Now let me tell you, this girl used to have eyebrows, but since she's started makeup, her eyebrows just decided, like, you know what, we're not going to be here. So they have to be parallel to each other. Like, they have to be parallel to each other. So on the arch, we are going to use that nasal alert crests and make sure that it matches with the arch of the eyebrows. So as I said before, make sure you have a longer objects, or if you don't have, you can use a ruler or anything, and just make sure that you have a sharp pencil or a pencil to mark your points. Okay, and also we are just going to use that same nasal alert crest to mark the end of our brows. Yeah, so this is very important to help you in the dimensions of you trimming your eyebrows. I've messed up couple of times. Okay, I've messed up couple of times. Then just go and draw in the shape that you want your eyebrows to look like, and be very careful at this point, because when you mess up at this juncture, that's where the problem is going to start from. So take your time, don't be in a rush, just mark it. And the point that you marked at the beginning, you're not supposed to trim past that area. You're not supposed to even touch. Let it be. Okay, and since the eyebrows are not always of the same dimensions, just make sure that they underline each other, like they understand each other, like they meet. It's not a must to be twins. It doesn't have to be twins. They just have to kind of look the same. And then I'm going to use this razor. It doesn't have a name, oh my god, so don't make the mistake that I did. Okay, stretch out your areas, like take the other hand and stretch it out and shave. I didn't do that because I was looking at myself at the mirror. I don't have a standing mirror. Then at this point, take an eyebrow scissors. I usually do use these scissors. I have never thought of buying an eyebrow scissors because this just does the same job, but I'd advise you to use an eyebrow scissors to trim off the overlapping eyebrows. Then we are done, and we are going to clean that place and use alcohol based product to do that. Yeah, and then we're going to do the same dimensions that we did before and fill it up. And for this, I'm going to use my most favorite. It is called Prestige. It's a fantastic eye pencil, and just follow the natural shape of your eyebrows. And also, it doesn't matter, just be precise. Yeah, I'll say be precise about it. And my hands were shaking at this point because, girl, I was hungry and tired. I'm going to use Go To Be glue to glue that. Literally what got to be does, it helps you, like, it helps your eyebrows stay in for longer with the same pigment, and it doesn't like there's a point that it reaches that it fades by itself, or it shines. So that helps so much with that. And we're going to go in and fill it in. So what you literally want to do is to just stroke it lightly, because eye pencils with your skin tone with the eye pencil, it really matters, because if you go on too much, it's gonna be dark. And also this is just, we kind of need that natural look. I am doing that while I am, like, doing the thing. To clean, I'm going to use a Fit Me, and also use an eyebrow brush. You can get this eyebrow brush with a spoolie attached to each other, like the spoolie is up and the brush is on the other side. And just be careful. I always like to start from the arch going outwards. I don't know, it has become a habit, but you can start from the beginning all the way to the end. That has become a habit of mine, I don't know why. And use an eyebrow brush to just brush it over. And then when going upwards, there is a technique. You can either use your eyebrow brush standing, or just slant it the way I did. But while doing that, make sure that the slanting point is the one that you are using facing the other side. Then use your eyebrow brush to just brush it over. I'm hungry again and I'm just talking nonsense at this point. So you remember that point that we drew? Yeah, honey, make sure that point is brushed out and no trace of it is ever there. I used to see people doing that. Oh, Jesus Christ, it pissed me off. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Yeah, later.